Hi everyone, I'm Elle, and today I wanted to share my Chanel unboxing with you. I have wanted this bag. This is literally the epitome of my dream bag that I've wanted for so long, since I was a little girl, and I thought I could never achieve. And how about I go ahead and share this with you, unbox it, and then kind of let you guys know why I chose it and my thoughts behind it. And if you like videos like this, go ahead and like and subscribe and comment. Very casual, chatty style to my videos. So let's just go ahead and open this while I talk. So yes, like I said, I have wanted this bag for so long, and I can't believe I finally have it. And sorry, my dog is walking around the place, so you'll hear his footsteps. Anyways, here is the bag that it came in, and this is the receipt. Let me just, this is the receipt that it came with, or the receipt is folded up in here, and I am not going to show you guys this because it probably has personal information in it, but yeah, it comes folded up in this cute little card folder thing. And I bought this while I was on vacation, so I am surprised at how that I kept all of this, but you know, it's Chanel and I spent so much money on it, so it's all coming home with me. Here is the pretty box, and then it has like the camellia and the ribbon here. Okay, here's the box that it came in, super pretty. And then and it has like the camellia here. It's just very satisfying to me. Oh, it's very satisfying to me to open this up. And I am still very careful when I open these types of things. And it has the black, what is this called? Tissue paper. And to reveal, yes, it is in a white dust bag, so that means that it's a classic. And it comes with like the wiping cloth, and this, and then I'm sure you can all tell, and I probably put it in the title here, that it is a classic flap. And oh, they packaged it so pretty. Okay, let me just appreciate how neatly they packed this. And yes, as you can see, it's a classic flap with the gold hardware. This is a medium-sized. Okay, it has a sticker here. Oh my god, I ripped it. Well, I know it's silly that I'm so careful with this stuff, but it's just so exciting to me. And I'm sorry, my dog is like chewing on a bone over here next to me, so you might hear some weird noises. But oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Wow. And yes, I got it in the gold hardware with the black caviar. Okay, let me take all this off. It comes with the felt, and wow, 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 it's so pretty. And it has like the burgundy interior, and it says made in France right there, and it still has the stickers on. Wow, it's so pretty. Whoops, knocked over my tripod here. And then let me unravel the chains. I don't know if I'm going to keep this in because I'm taking so long to do it, but I kind of want to keep the packaging for when I store it, because I am trying to You know, these things are very expensive and it took me a long time to save up, so I am very precious with it still. But wow, there she is. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty, and it still has a sticker on. I'll probably take that off later, but wow. Yep. Oh, okay. Okay, like I was saying, this is the medium classic flap in caviar leather with the gold hardware. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm just looking it over because I haven't seen it since I bought it. And then let me go ahead after I look over this. And then, so I bought this in 2023. So it comes with the, if you can see that, the chip here. Or the, I don't know what it's called. Like the scanner that they do. But yeah, it still has a sticker on it, which I will rip off later. But yeah, so let me kind of tell you about my thoughts and why I bought this bag and kind of the story behind it. So let me just acknowledge that this bag is so expensive to me, at least, because I am not on that level where I can purchase these whenever I want. But yes, so I acknowledge that I am very privileged in the way that I was able to save up for this and have like, you know, I don't have to, I have the disposable income where I can treat myself in this way. But yes, this bag I have wanted for so long. It's literally like the bag that I thought I would never get because it just seemed like such a luxury to have for me, you know. So yes, I am incredibly excited and incredibly privileged to be able to treat myself in this way. But yes, I wanted this bag for so long, and it is so expensive that I just decided that right now is probably the best time for me to get this if I want to get it, at least sometime soon, just because I know that the prices are crazy high, but I just know that they're not going to get any cheaper. And right now it's a time in my life where I can treat myself and not feel too bad about it when I buy these kinds of things. You know, at this moment in my life, I take care of all my responsibilities and I don't have any kids of my own. So right now is a good time for me to get this because I don't think that I will be treating myself in this way because I'll have other priorities in my life. So, but yes, I was lucky enough to buy this on vacation when I was with my partner. We were visiting family on Oahu, and I live in California, so our sales tax is double the sales tax in the state of Hawaii. So when I bought my other classic flap earlier this year, I was telling him about, okay, that is my dream bag. I want it, and then I want a like another special classic flap. So on that trip in August, I got my other classic flap, and I was telling my boyfriend about how this is the ultimate bag that I want, but we couldn't find it at the time. And you know, I already spent money on my other dream bag. So he said, okay, next time we come to Hawaii, we're going to look for this bag. And then, so now's the time that we were in Hawaii, and so we went to hunt this down, and my partner is so sweet. He is incredibly patient with me because we went to the boutique in Ala Moana and the Chanel boutique in on the Strip in Waikiki, and they didn't have it. At the time that we were looking, at the Ala Moana one, they had two classic flaps with a caviar leather, but it had silver hardware. So they had a small and a medium, and they said that was the only one that they had. And then so obviously, like, I I know that if I'm spending all this money, I want to get exactly what I want. So I said no to that and I passed on it. And then I told them to give me a call if it comes, while I'm on vacation. They can give me a call, and they asked me like the dates that I was there. So we went to Waikiki, and they also didn't have it, but they had the medium. No, was it the medium? Yes, they had the medium in silver hardware in caviar leather, and I was just like, oh, so close, but no, not exactly what I want. So yeah, I ended up, like, I gave the super nice lady there my number, and I took her card, and then I texted her, and I told her, if it comes in, let me know. So I think that was on a Friday that we went, or Thursday or Friday that we went. So then, and they had a lot of different beautiful colors in stock and different materials. Like, they had a lot of classic flaps that were in the lambskin leather, and they had a bunch of different colors. They had this beautiful white small classic flap with a caviar leather and gold hardware. And that was super, super, super hard for me to pass on because it was so beautiful. But it was a little bit of a stark white, and I think if I were to get a white one, I would want like a more milky white. But anyways, it was not what I was looking for. And they also had this gorgeous caramel color in the lambskin, and it was a medium, I think, and I was like, it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful, but I need to get what I wanted. Like, this is one of the times that I can't be impulsive because I had a goal in mind, and my partner was like, all right, we gotta keep our eyes on the prize. So then so yeah, I gave her my number, or I texted her and I told her, let me know. So the weekend passed by, and then on Monday we had some free time, and my partner was like, okay, let's go check one last time. And I felt so bad for the guy, and I told him, if they don't have it and they don't call me, this will be the last time that we try it out. So we went to Ala Moana first because it's more convenient for us to get there. So we went to Ala Moana, and I asked the sales associate there, I asked her, like, this is exactly what I'm looking for. And let me tell you, the Chanel's in Waikiki and on Oahu are the absolute sweetest. It's such a great experience because there was no wait, no line, and everybody's so sweet and so welcoming, and it was just great. And I told her, like, this is exactly what I'm looking for, either a medium or a small size, black, caviar leather, gold hardware. That's exactly what I told her. And she told me, like, we just got a shipment this morning, let me go see if we have it. And then they pull open this cabinet, and it just has a whole bunch of classic flaps, like in all the colors of the rainbow, all materials, and it's so beautiful. She opens it up and she pulls out this exact combo that I was looking for, and I was like, oh my gosh. I was trying to contain myself, and me and my partner looked at each other like, oh my gosh, that's it. But of course, like, I looked over it and I tried it on, and instantly I was like, all right, that's what we're getting it. And then she told me, like, okay, let me check if we have any in the back. So and then she said, and so this specific one that she had is completely untouched. And then so she went to the back, showed it to me really quick, and then I was like, all right, I'll take it. So that was a really wonderful experience. It was great that, like, we went there and it was there, and I felt like we really, like, hunted it down, and it was just such a great experience, and they're so sweet there. They let me try on a bunch of different bags, and she showed everything to me. I wish I filmed it, but I just get so caught up in the moment that I totally forget about filming anything when I was there. So yeah, I was super, super, super happy for that experience. It was wonderful. And then while we were there, I saw the lady that helped me on Thursday or Friday when I was there. And then she was like, oh my gosh, I was just about to text you that we have the bag you're looking for. And I was like, I know, we're wrapping it up. So that was really sweet. They're super nice there. I totally recommend that if you're visiting Oahu, that you go ahead and check out Chanel at Ala Moana or Waikiki. They're both really great. I think I'm more Ala Moana location is my preference just because it's easier for us to get there, but super great on both sides. And so I was so excited and we got it. And yeah, I think this was just such a great experience for me. And you know, it does disgust me how much money I spent, but I just have to think like I've always wanted this, so it's fine. Well, it's not, well, anyways, yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell myself. And then both locations are just so nice that I took this home. I took this back to where we were staying. I was so happy. And then the super nice sales associate at the Waikiki location, she called me and she was like, we have the bag. And I was like, oh my gosh, thank you so much for telling me. But I literally just bought it at the Ala Moana place. And I felt so bad, but you know, that just goes to show how sweet they are. And she was just telling me like, you know, congratulations, I'm happy that you got it. And yeah, super great experience. Let me know if you have any questions about this. I'm very excited about it and I'm going to use it today. But yeah, thanks for listening. I know I talk a lot, but if you like these kind of videos where I just talk and share my thoughts on and my purchases, let me know. And yeah, that's all I have. Bye.